Hello guys, it's good to have you back again. So this is a chocolate cake made in a frying pan. Yeah, you don't need a baking pan or an oven. And the taste is still amazing, paired with the chocolate buttercream and some sprinkles. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for exciting weekly updates on baking. Measure out the dry ingredients. In a bowl, add 48 grams of flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Then gradually sieve it together. Add 40 grams of sugar, then whisk it together. Set the dry ingredients aside and let's move to the wet ingredient. Measure out the wet ingredient. Add the egg and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add the vegetable oil. Add the buttermilk and whisk everything together. Mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. Don't overmix it. Add the hot coffee. This helps to boom the cocoa powder. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I used a non-stick 7-inch frying pan. Add the batter into it. Cook the batter on low heat. Cover it. Let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. Use a toothpick to check if it is done. If the toothpick comes out clean, then it is done. So you can see how it looks moist and chocolatey. You can double or triple the recipe to make many layers. Time to make the chocolate buttercream. You need 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of confectioner sugar. So I'm doing this without an electric mixer. So just mix it up with a spoon, then add it gradually and keep mixing till you get a nice consistency. Add some melted sweetened chocolate You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Claudia Kikri. Yeah, this is the right consistency now. Make sure your cake is cool and not hot. A hot cake will melt the buttercream. Add the chocolate buttercream and gently spread it across. You could add some sprinkles to it to pop it up. I added chocolate sprinkles and some gold sprinkles. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video. I would like to know what you think in the comment section below. See you again next week. Bye.